Here are 10 animals, insects, and plants that have been a part of the ecological restoration experiments or reintroductions in the U.S. where they were used intentionally to heal, protect, or rebuild ecosystems, similar to the beaver case. Each includes subject A, the animal, insect, plant. Point A, natural technique or behavior used. Point B, ecological benefit or experiment outcome. Number 1, oysters. Eastern oysters. A, filter, feeding, reefs, build naturally from shells. B, restoration water quality and protect coastlines from erosion in Chesapeake Bay and Gulf Coast projects. Number 2, prairie dogs. A, burrowing behavior aerates the soil and creates a habitat. B, reintroduction to restore grassland ecosystems and support endangered species like the black-footed ferret. Number 3, bison. A, grazing patterns mimic natural disturbances. They create habitat. B, reintroduce to the Great Plains to relieve native prairie biodiversity and soil health. Number 4, gray wolves. A, predation, natural balances prey. B, reintroduced to Yellowstone, caused a terrific cascade, restoring riverbanks and vegetation. Number 5, sea otters. A, feed on sea urchins, kept forest healthy. B, reintroduction helped restore kept forest ecosystems along the Pacific coast. Number 6, burrowing owls. A, nest in abandoned burrows, often prairie dog towns. B, reintroduction in western states to restore declining populations and stabilize insect populations. Number 7, American Chesapeake restoration hybrids. A, rapid growing hardwood. B, being reintroduced via hybrids to restore eastern forests destroyed by blight in the 21st century. Number 8, monarch butterflies. A, pollination and reliance on milkweed for reproduction. B, conservation programs use native milkweed to restore corridors and boost migration survival. Number 9, gopher tortoises. A, burrow creation supports 350 plus other species. B, conservation supports in the southeast helped protect longleaf pine ecosystems. Number 10, willows and cottonwoods. A, deep-rooted trees that stabilize riverbanks and create shade. B, planted or allowed to regenerate in western river systems to lower the water temperature and reduce erosions, sometimes alongside beaver reintroduction. Reasons why Buc-ees is so popular. Number 1, massive store size. A, Buc-ees locations are enormous. up to 75,000 square feet, offering everything from gas to groceries and gifts. B. The sheer scale makes it more than a convenience store. It's a travel destination. Number 2. Incredibly clean. A. The restrooms are consistently spotless, earning Best Restrooms in America awards. B. Travelers rave that Buc-ees bathrooms set a new standard. Number 3. Huge fuel capacity. A. With 80 to 120 pumps per station, it minimizes wait times drastically. B. Efficient fueling makes refueling quick and stress-free. Number 4. Delicious in-house snacks. A. Signature treats like beaver nuggets. That's what I came back with. Beaver nuggets, cinnamon bag kind. Brisket sandwiches, what I had. Double X. Fudge and jerky are fan favorites. B. Offering regional specialties makes each visit feel like a mini Texas food tour. Conveniently put, because the brisket was very well sweet Texas flavor. Number 5. Exclusive retail. A. Buc-ees carries apparel, kitchenware, home decor, and hunting gear alongside fuel. B. It doubles as a one-stop gift shop and grocery stop. 6. Strong branding and ambience. This is what I concurred when I went to Buc-ees, with a strong branding presence, and the ambience of the store was set like its own world. A. The beaver mascot. Distinctive branding and themed merch build nostalgia and loyalty. B. The atmosphere feels fun, friendly, and uniquely Texas. Number 7. Unique sensory experience. A. The aroma of the roasting pecans and freshly baked goods creates an inviting ambience. B. It's a multi-sensory experience. Smells, sights, and tastes evoke a sense of warmth and comfort.